where he is referred as a reliable rebel. Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and for today's video I have got my cricketers books collection. So what I meant by cricketers books collection, so in this I am going to talk about all the autobiographies and also about the books written about some cricket players, one of the most famous cricket players of India. Especially I have only Indian cricket players books. So in this book collection I would like to inform you that I have one book on Virat Kohli, two books on Sachin Tendulkar, and two books on Sachin Tendulkar, and five books on MS Dhoni. So one by one I will talk about all of them. So starting off with the smaller book, so this is I'll turn it like this. So this is a book on Virat Kohli, where he is referred as a reliable rebel, and this book is written by Ayaz Memam. So I hope I pronounced it right. So this particular person has an experience of 33 years on writing about sports personals. So apart from that, he has written three more books apart from Virat Kohli, that is on MS Dhoni, that is our Captain Cool, then Sachin Tendulkar, who is our Master Blaster, and also on Yuvraj Singh, who is a very powerful elegance. So this book I would like to say is just about how they come forth in life, like indirectly how they struggled to become such a good player. So that is what is written in these books. So this book was written long back, that is when he was an under 19 captain. Actually, I guess it's around 10 years back, 15 years back, maybe almost 15 years back. Next I have Sachin Tendulkar's most famous book written by Gulu Ezekiel. So this book is a revised edition. There was one more book before this, and I guess it was written back in 2005 when Tendulkar was very famous, and Dhoni, then Kohli, and remaining players were not yet in the team. So he is a god in India. It's that statement was stated by Matthew Hayden. So you can understand how he's such a great player. So this book belongs to my dad. Actually, he is truly a cricket enthusiast. So he got this book. The best thing about this book is, sorry about the condition, it's very old, is the pics about his life, a pic of his brother and his cricket team, a pic when he got married also. So when he also won the Khel Ratna. So a lot of books, a pic with Vivian Richard, another wonderful West Indies player. So two books are done. Next, this book my dad gave it to me very recently. Do you know MS Dhoni is the title of the book, and I guess there are other books written by this particular author, but in this the author's name is not stated actually. But there are a lot of dialogues or statements given by other cricket players about this particular person. So in this, Sourav Ganguly has stated, Dhoni is the greatest captain of our country. His record is proof of that. So like that, in under each page there is statements given by Steve Watt, then a lot of players, then Shah Rukh Khan, Raj Kundra, Preeti Zinta, Andrew Russell, Vijay Mallya, a lot of people have stated it, and all his winning games are also given. So you can also get this book. I guess it's a 125 rupees book. I just got it for 100, I guess. So there are other books that is on Narendra Modi. Do you know Narendra Modi? do you know Dalai Lama? Then do you know Arvind Kejriwal? On players also may be there. So I didn't check about this a lot since it was a gift. I just kept it. So thank you, Dad, for that. Now this is another book which my dad had given. This is also a long time ago. So The Man, the Leader, MSD by Biswadeep Ghosh. Ghosh, sorry for the wrong pronunciation. So here is also a statement by Harsha Gogle. I think Dhoni's great skill as captain has been to make younger people feel secure and make people's roles clear. So the best thing about these books are a lot of good statements are given, and some of those statements have been written down in history also. And in this book also, like I stated in that Sachin Tendulkar's book, Dhoni's a pic of Dhoni when he was small, when he was back in Ranchi, sorry, not Ranchi, Ranchi. So all this, and when he got his first bike also, I guess. Then his dad and mom, yeah, his first Harley Davidson. Then his Kawasaki bike. So a lot of pics are also there. Looking at this, you will like this a lot. A beautiful book. This is about Dhoni's life story. Next, a very famous book, that is Captain Cool, the MS Dhoni story. So this is the third revised edition by Gulu Ezekiel. Apart from that, I have this one, which is the first edition of Captain Cool. This is the third edition. There are more and more books actually. Around 5 editions have come in the market right now. I thought of getting all the editions. Like, what to say, I truly am a very big fan of MS Dhoni. In case of cricket, you can see a poster here. If possible, I'll show you later. So, lot of MS Dhoni books. I'm truly a very big fan, because he is a captain who has made India so proud by winning all the 3 ICC titles. Okay, so next book. So these books written by Gulu Ezekiel is again on Dhoni's life itself. It's the same repetition of story, but in a different prospect or a different point of view. So this is another book, that is Mahi, the story of India's most successful captain, Shantanu Guhare. So this is another book of Dhoni, which is truly amazing, because in this there are lesser amount of pics, but very very beautiful pics, like a pic of his wedding with Sakshi Dhoni. Then a pic of his youth, where he was in a cricket team. He getting the man of the match trophy. A very good player, if you ask me. So these same pics were repeated in the other 2 books also, because like when you see these books, especially about the same person, they usually prefer using similar pics, and sometimes these are the most easily available pics also, like his first Harley Davidson. Today I guess Dhoni has around 100 bikes in his collection, so truly a great personality. Now coming to our last book, that is Sachin, a 100 hundreds now. Yeah, a 100 hundreds now, by V. Krishnaswamy. So this is my dad's book again. So the Mahendra Dhoni's books, I guess only 2 I have got it like from my dad. Remaining 3 books also my dad had purchased. This is another book that my dad had purchased. My dad is actually a very big fan of Sachin Tendulkar, the Master Blaster. Me, a fan of Captain Cool, that is MS Dhoni. So another life story. So apart from these cricket players, I guess there is VVS Lakshman's book, the autobiography, that is 281 and Beyond. Then Yuvraj Singh's The Test of My Life, that is very famous. Then Shane Watts' very famous book, that is No Spin. Then another book that is of Saurabh Ganguly, that is A Century Is Not Enough. So there are lots and lots of cricketers autobiographies or books written on them. So I recommend you to read these books because they actually develop your confidence level, because these people are nobody when they started, and today they have a lot of fame, fans, money, everything. So that's how you develop in your life. So today's video is completely dedicated to all the cricket players who play in the grounds, sweat a lot, work hard under the sun, and create fame and name and bring very big trophies back to India. So thank you all to the cricket players, and I hope you people also like this video. So please do subscribe my channel and comment down the below in case you want to read these books. I can just put the links where you can get them for a cheaper price. And I have already done the Flipkart and Amazon book haul, so if soon if there are other book hauls, I'll be doing on that. And I have been getting a lot of messages regarding the 99 books card video. So friends, actually in case of 99 books card video, the box, the delivery happens usually late because they don't have their own delivery. They just send it through some other delivery means. So in case if your house is very inside in a particular region or something, the delay may be a bit longer. So please don't worry about your money. There is customer service available. You can contact there through messaging in the email ID or through other means also. So I hope you like this video. Until next time folks, bye.